Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a really special unbagging, literally, a handbag unboxing from Bolzano Handbags. I am so pleased that you have joined me today, that you have chosen to spend some time with me. That means a lot to me, so thank you very much. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome. I really hope that you'll consider subscribing and joining me again. My videos are all about women's clothing and fashion accessories, handbags, anything that I need to put an outfit together. Bolzano Handbags is a subscription. It is so much fun. When I received my very first Bolzano handbag, I said, honestly, I'm not the girl that changes her handbag with every outfit, and I truly am not. But since I've been using Bolzano handbags and they have sent me some really great handbags, I find that I am changing my bag with the outfits that I'm wearing more often. It doesn't happen every day, but it does happen more often. They have been really good to send me bags that I want to carry. With Bolzano handbags, you do fill out a style profile. You let them know what your preferences are. And the one thing I requested was larger handbags. I am 5'7" and I'm not real comfortable carrying very small bags, but I think I might be changing my mind about that. I really don't need to carry the biggest handbag ever. It's just my custom. So I'm kind of opening up my mind to carrying a smaller bag, but I haven't changed my style profile. Now, everything that you need to know about Bolzano handbags, I have left in the description box below. And I did check their website, and Bolzano Handbags is offering now some brand new subscriptions that weren't there in the past, and I'm excited about them. They now offer purse companions, and that is luxury cosmetics and fragrances that you can get in your bag every month. They offer handbags with accessories, and the accessories that they've sent me have been a lot of fun. They send me very nice jewelry. I love wearing it. I did receive a beautiful card holder to match my bag last month. I am impressed with the accessories, and I can't imagine ordering a subscription without the accessories, but you can. So all of the information that I know about Bolzano handbags, I will leave in the description box below. If you visit the website, I highly recommend that you check out the story behind Bolzano handbags. It's a female-owned company, and I'm very proud of the owner of this company, and this is a brand that I really want to stand behind. Don't take my word for it. Please visit the website, check it out for yourself. Without further ado, the reason we are all here, let's look and see what my surprise handbag is this month. All of my Bolzano handbags have come in a dust bag. There is a nice little ribbon there. This is a beautiful gift if you did want to gift it to someone. I also think gifting someone with a subscription is a fabulous gift. Any of us girls that enjoy purses would love to get this subscription. Okay, let's see. Oh, I can already tell you, I love the color of this bag. Okay, here it is. Oh, this is so beautiful. I hope my camera is picking up the colors of this bag. This bag is in orange, which is a color that I love, and I bought so much orange last year. I am so excited to get into this bag. I actually saw another YouTuber unbox this bag, and hers was in a sapphire color, and I loved it. It reminded me of a fossil tote that I already own, but I do not own any handbags in this color. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, you know I'm loving this. We do have a pocket right on the front for my cell phone. Yes, that is very nice. We have leather straps. Let me take these off. Let me show you. We do have leather straps there with stitching on it. And what is this? What is this metal? It's kind of a bronzy hardware there. Okay, look at here. On this gold chain, we have this charm, this gold tone charm. And that appears, yeah, it has the Bolzano label on it. Then that is removable if I didn't want to carry it or if I wanted to move it to one of my other Bolzano handbags. Let's look at the inside. Oh, see here? These are the accessories, and we will get into those accessories in just a few minutes. Let's look inside this bag. Okay, the tote does have a zip. You see there? We have a zip. And, oh my goodness, what is this? Purse companions. Oh my gosh, it smells beautiful. Oh, okay. This is a great big tote. Empty bucket in here. It is lined in black. And can you see here we have pockets, card pockets, although those are really a nice size pocket. And my favorite, the zip pocket on the side. So that is what the inside looks like. And this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let's look at the bottom. No feet on the bottom, but yeah, this is very nice. I am really impressed with the color because this is perfect for me. Okay, our purse companions, and I think this is an explanation of what I have inside. I have the 2-piece beauty blenders. That's for eye and face. Yes, that's nice. Oh my gosh, there's a palette in here. This is by Desi, and I'm not really a makeup girl. I love to play with makeup. I don't know anything about it. What do you think about those? Maybe I should take it out of the plastic, okay? And the last thing that we have are these moisturizing gel gloves, and these say you can revitalize your hands in 20 minutes. Moisturizing gel gloves surround dry skin and moisturize to soothe and soften. I can't wait to try this out. In fact, I can't wait to try out everything, but these could not have come at a better time. My husband was just working with liquid insulation and it's stuck to his hands and they're a mess. And don't tell anyone. He would not want anyone to know that he was going to do a beauty treatment on his hand. In fact, he doesn't even know. He's going to get a beauty treatment on his hands to soothe and soften and moisturize. This came just in time. Okay, last but not least is the accessories, which I always really enjoy. I have had so much luck with my Bolzano handbags jewelry. And this is, wow, those are pretty. Can you see those? How they look? It's a gold tone, earrings and necklace, and they're kind of a floral shaped with gold on the front, but there's bling there too. Hold on just a second. Let me put these on. Let's see how everything looks. Okay, here are the accessories, the little necklace and the earrings, and I really like these. Yeah, so that's what the accessories look like. Next, let me show you the bag and how the bag looks on me when I wear it. Notice the orange sandals, because these are the first shoes I thought of when I saw the color of this bag. Yeah, this is going to work great for me. I think it's a great springtime color as well, but I will carry this one through the summer, maybe even year round. Let me tell you something that I did find. The gloves, I'm so excited about these gloves. These are good for 250 uses. So I'm going to use them first and I will report back to you on what I think about the softening, moisturizing qualities in these gloves, but I'm real excited to have them, and I don't know if my husband will do it, but I'm gonna try to get him to moisturize his hands as well. I am real happy to get the beauty blenders. I always need a beauty blender, and normally these run about $20, so to get them in my purse companions, that is awesome. The price on the purse companions is only $8 a month. If you buy it quarterly, it comes out to $8 a month. You can add it to any of your subscriptions for about $10 a month, but this product alone pays for the purse companions. So the gloves are a welcome bonus. Okay, let me share the palette with you. These are the colors in the palette, and they are all shimmery, which is not necessarily the best look on me, but I will play with these. I will use these. You will see me shimmering in the future. So this was another fun product to get. I always enjoy my Bolzano handbags. It's a fun surprise, but it's also a high quality designer handbag. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, would you please give me a thumbs up? I really appreciate all of your support. I will have another Bolzano for you next month and another video in just a couple days. So make sure that you are subscribed and be on the lookout for that one. Until we meet again, blessings, blessings to all of you.